Good afternoon, welcome to Vanik. We will discuss science and technology MCQs. First, the term brute force acquisition is related to private land acquisition, encryption of mobile data, mobile device forensics, none of the above. It is regarding mobile devices forensics, right? Brute force acquisition, it is especially performed by third party that send a series of passwords or passcodes to the mobile device, right? Trial and error attempt to get the correct combination of password. So to get the password of your mobile devices, brute force acquisition, series of passwords is sent to a particular mobile, right? So to get access to a mobile, so C is the answer, that is brute force acquisition. Okay. Next. Consider the following statements regarding Mordcraft reovirus. Mordcraft reovirus is also known as sleeping disease, Mordcraft reovirus. It is also known as sleeping disease, responsible for mass mortality of wild crabs. Yes, mass mortality of wild crabs. Mordcraft reovirus is responsible for mass mortality of wild crabs. Crab fattening and crab polyculture are the methods of crab cultivation. Crab cultivation, that is crab fattening and crab polyculture, both are right. The under crab polyculture, shrimp, wild crab are cultured in the same pond. Which of the following statements are correct? Yes, shrimp and wild crab, they all are cultured in the same pond. So that is This is related to Mordcraft reovirus that creates mass mortality among the wild crabs. What is quantum supremacy? Quantum means subatomic knowledge regarding the amount of subatomic particles. Small particles, quantum particles at the atomic level. When quantum computers have been able to solve problems that a classical computer cannot, it is said to be achieved quantum supremacy. Yes, first statement is correct. What is correct? It denotes denomination of countries who have successfully developed quantum computers. There is no such. So this denomination comparing the countries is not there. So quantum supremacy discusses where quantum computers can do some things which classical computers cannot. Right? And beyond the capacity of classical computers. That is quantum supremacy. It is said that this quantum computer is million times powerful than the classical computer. So that is called as quantum supremacy. Google in 2019 has announced that it has achieved quantum supremacy. Right? So regarding calculation, it has developed processor that took around in 200 seconds it can do a calculation that a classical computer will do in around 10,000 years. So Google said that it has achieved quantum supremacy. Quantum computing can find potential applications in which of the following areas: improved weather forecasting, traffic optimization, developing powerful batteries in electric vehicles, giving a five-dimensional effect to entertainment videos. So, in which of the following areas quantum computing can find potential applications? It can improve weather forecasting, yes, because it can analyze the data of immediately can analyze data of last 50 years weather data, so it can predict the weather properly. Traffic optimization, it can be done by quantum technology. Developing powerful batteries in electric vehicles, yes, it can help in research. Then giving five-dimensional effect to entertainment videos. So first statement is wrong. So 1, 2, 3, these are right regarding quantum. mm, this right regarding the potential of quantum computing. Right. Consider the following statements regarding polar satellite launch vehicle and geosynchronous satellite launch vehicle. GSLV developed to launch low Earth orbits into polar and sun synchronous orbits. This is wrong. This is here PSLV. PSLV was developed to launch low Earth orbit satellites into polar and sun synchronous orbits. Low Earth orbit satellites means low Earth orbit means 180 km to 2000 km. This is low Earth orbit. For that we have PSLV, Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle. Remember, these are launch vehicles. These are not satellites. Their job is to launch a satellite in the orbit. That is PSLV. PSLV is third generation launch vehicle. Earlier we have SLV, then ASLV. SLV is the small satellite launch vehicle. SLV is the satellite launch vehicle. Then ASLV is the augmented satellite launch vehicle. This is first generation. This is second generation. PSLV, this is third generation, right? PSLV. The energy level of PSLV is solar. It is solid, first solid, then liquid, then solid, then liquid. That means first there will be solid engine, then there will be a liquid engine, then again there will be a solid engine, and then again there will be a liquid engine. Right? This is PSLV. So PSLV is for low Earth orbits, right? For 400 500 km especially. From low Earth orbit, that is within 2000 km, it is PSLV. But so far as GSLV is concerned, GSLV is geosynchronous satellite launch vehicle. Geosynchronous satellite launch vehicle, GSLV. It is up to 35,790 km. Its range. So it will launch the missiles. It will launch the spacecraft at the 35,790 kilometer satellites. Right, GSV satellite launch vehicle. It will launch satellites at this height. To launch heavier inside class means communication satellites. These are communication satellites. It is not PSLV. It is GSLV. GSLV is developed to heavier inside class. That is, communication satellites are launched at geosynchronous satellites. Communication satellites. That was fourth stage vehicle. Yes, this is the fourth generation. Fourth generation. PSLV was third generation, and GSLV is fourth generation. Its engine are solid engine, then liquid engine, then cryogenic engine. Right? Remember, cryogenic engine is used in the GSLV. What is this cryogenic engine? Cryo means high temperature. Cryo means extremely low temperature. So this cryogenic engine means it is extremely low temperature engine. Extremely low temperature means minus low temperature minus 250 degrees Celsius, like this. Extremely low temperature. And in cryogenic engine we have hydrogen fuel. Hydrogen fuel. Hydrogen fuel can give maximum hydrogen fuel. This can give maximum thrust or maximum power, maximum force to the vehicles. That is hydrogen fuel. Also the satellites. It is the most powerful, right? So, and for hydrogen fuel, convert to hydrogen from air to liquid, from gaseous to liquid, we need around, from gas to liquid, hydrogen fuel, minus 250 degrees Celsius is required. To convert it to gas to liquid, minus 250 degrees Celsius is required. Right. So that is, it is all about GSL. Solid, liquid, and cryogen. Cryogen means hydrogen fuel. Consider the following statements regarding edge computing. Edge computing means localized computing. Localized computing means, for example, at present, suppose you are using a particular Facebook or any social media. Your data is saved at Singapore or European countries or USA. Right? There is no data localization. Data localization is a big issue. Data localization means storing of data in your country. Edge computing means decentralized computing. Decentralized computing. That is data to be shared at the local areas. Not centralized, no centralized data storage system. It is decentralized data storage system. That is edge computing. Okay. It involves placing computational power closer to the user network. Yes, computational power closer to the user network. It has high applicability in IoT based, that is Internet of Things based application, which require processing of data in less time. Because of decentralization, this processing of data will be, time taken for processing of data will be very less. That is decentralized. That's why it will take less time. Decentralized data system. That is edge computing. It is highly suitable for big data analysis. See the word highly. it is not highly suitable for big data analysis. Right? So one and two options are right. Big data is the improved data structure, right? Like for in computing, you have from traditional computer to supercomputer to quantum computer, right? From that is developed, right? In data storage system, we have developed edge computing. Similarly, in case of data analysis, there is big data. In case of data storage, there is big data system which can analyze and process huge amount of data in less time. So, OAS computing is not highly suitable for big data analytics. Next, with respect to various computing environments and their applications, which of the following pairs are correctly matched? Cloud computing. Cloud computing is building database for artificial intelligence based application, that is cloud computing. Edge computing. Municipal Solid Waste Management. No, edge computing means decentralized data structure, data storage system computing with where data are stored in decentralized manner. So data processing is high speed, that is edge computing. So second statement is wrong. The second is wrong, then this is wrong. 1 and 3. 1 is always right. Then fog computing is not autonomous vehicle. Fog computing is not autonomous vehicle. Right. So only one option, that is cloud computing, is the answer. Right. Remember cloud. The difference between suppose for example, sorry, I have by mistakenly explained. This is actually what I have explained is edge computing. Cloud computing means, for example, you are using Gmail. Gmail is cloud computing, right? You can store your data a huge amount, around 15 GB in your Gmail for free. That is cloud computing. Or for example, railway network, that is one through cloud computing. Social media, they are cloud computing. You can store your in huge amount of information in the online system itself. Okay. Next. So that is cloud computing. That is building database in the AI-based application. That is right. This is wrong, and this is also wrong. Fog computing means not autonomous vehicles. Fog computing, it is especially used. It is also decentralized computer infrastructure. Fog computing is also decentralized computer infrastructure. While still in their infancy, how DNA computers better than conventional silicon computers? DNA computers has huge memory power, right? Dell computers are capable of storing billions of times more data than the conventional computer. Yes. Dell computer has very powerful computation power other than conventional computer. Yes, it has very powerful computer. Dell computer will be many times smaller than the conventional computer. All the three options, one, two, three, all the options are right regarding DNA computer. It will be highly efficient. It will have high power regarding storage, right? Regarding storage, it will have very high power, and it is also million times smaller than the conventional computer. So 1, 2, 3, all the options are right. Consider the following statements regarding deficiency of vitamin D in human body. Deficiency of vitamin D in human body. Vitamin D deficiency is often associated with rickets. Yes, they are associated with rickets. It leads to softening of bones resulting in skeletal deformities. Yes, vitamin D, that is skeletal deformities also occurs. In absence of vitamin D, the skeletal muscles starve of energy. All those statements are right regarding vitamin D of human body. Skeletal muscle is starved of energy, softening of bones, and vitamin D is often associated with rickets. Wireless mobile charger is replacing USB mobile charger quite rapidly. Wireless mobile charger works on which following principle? It is Kirchhoff's law. No, Kirchhoff's law, it is related to the current in a circuit. Multiple currents are coming to a circuit, that is Kirchhoff's law is applied there. So in case of, that is in case of electric current. So Kirchhoff's law is wrong. Bernoulli's principle means in case of total pressure energy, suppose it's a pipe and here water is going. Pressure energy, kinetic energy and potential energy, all the sum of all is constant. That is Bernoulli's principle. That is not related to mobile charger. Principle of electromagnetic, this is right. Pascal's law says that if whatever pressure is applied in one side of a liquid, that transmits equally to the all other sides. That is Pascal's law. So C is the answer regarding the wireless mobile charger replacing USB mobile charger. After the following statements regarding brucellosis. Brucellosis is a bacterial disease that mainly infects cattle, swine, goats, sheep, and dogs. Yes, this is right. Bacterial disease and mainly cattle, swine, goats, sheep, and dogs. Humans get infected if they come in direct contact with the infected animal or by eating or drinking contaminated animal products. Human to human transmission is very common. So this is not very common. Brucellosis, human to human transmission is not very common. Otherwise, we would have suffered like the COVID, right? So one and two options are right. C is the answer. One and two options are right regarding brucellosis. Consider the following statements. All cryptocurrencies are based on blockchain technologies. The following statements is incorrect. Altcoins refer to class of alternate cryptocurrencies that are lost after the success of bitcoins. Yes. Which of the following statements are correct? Are incorrect. Incorrect. It is one only is the incorrect. So A is the answer. A is the answer. One only is the incorrect. Question statement 2 is the correct. Altcoins refers to class of alternative cryptocurrencies that were launched by after the success of Bitcoin. So all cryptocurrencies are not Bitcoin, are not blockchain technology. Most of the cryptocurrencies are based on blockchain technology. For those vaccinated with 2 doses of Covishield, if the booster dose of Covaxin is then it is known as heteromonous boost, heterologous boost, heterogenous boost, and heteroferous boost. If one dose is Covaxin and second dose is Covishield, then that is called as heterologous boost. Heterologous boost, it is very powerful. Heterologous boost. So after 2 doses of Covishield and 1 dose of Covaxin, works very powerful. That is heterologous boost. Then what is dark fiber? Dark fiber is the collective name of number of malicious softwares invariants. A cable laid on the seabed to carry telecommunication signals across the stretches of ocean and sea. It is a part of internet that is not available to search engines and requires your anonymizing browser. An unused optical fiber available for the use in the fiber optic communication. An unused optical fiber is available for the use in fiber optic communication. So D is the answer. Consider the following statements regarding monoclonal antibodies. Monoclonal antibodies are naturally generated antibodies in the human body to fight against a particular infection. That is monoclonal antibodies. They mimic the immune system ability. They mimic the immune system ability to fight off harmful pathogens such as viruses. Which the following statements are correct regarding monoclonal antibodies? Okay, monoclonal antibodies are laboratory made proteins. These are laboratory made proteins that mimic the immune system ability to work against harmful pathogens such as virus. Right. So they mimic immune system ability. These are some proteins. They mimic the immune system ability of some of those proteins and kill the pathogens such as viruses. Okay. So two only is the correct answer. Then consider the following statements regarding Internet of Things. Sometimes seen in the news. It is an internetworking physical devices, vehicles, buildings embedded with electronics, software, sensors, and network connectivity. That is Internet of Things. Okay. Yes. Internetworking of physical devices. Huge number of networks, physical devices, they are connected with each other. Especially in case of software company. It has the ability to transfer data over a network without requiring human to human to interaction. Network without requiring human to human interaction. It is right Internet of Things. It works only on virtual private networks, VPNs. No, this is wrong. So one and two options are right. Consider the following statements regarding black holes. A black hole is an astronomical object with a gravitational pull so strong that nothing, even light, can escape it. Right. First statement is wrong. It is right. That is, nothing, even light can escape it. So it is so powerful. It has a very high gravitational pull. The area outside the boundary of black holes called event horizon does not emit any visible light. This is wrong. Right. The area is not. It has vast amount of gas and colored plasma, and they all emit radiations, even visible light. So they emit visible lights. Statement is wrong. So one only is the answer. Next, question number 18. It is related to dengue. Dengue is a viral infection transmitted to humans through the bite of infected female mosquitoes. Bite of infected female mosquitoes. Yes, that is um, Aedes aegypti, right? Aedes aegypti. Female Aedes. Female Aedes aegypti that causes dengue. When mosquito bites, it's only not only soft but what also secret saliva that enters the bloodstream. At present, there is specific medicines, vaccine to treat dengue. Which of the following statements are correct? 1 to 3 options are correct regarding dengue. Right. Aedes aegypti mosquito mainly spreads. Which of the following diseases? This mosquito mainly spreads in which of the following diseases? It is chikungunya and yellow fever. 1 and 2 options are right. Chikungunya and yellow fever. These Aedes aegypti mosquitoes mainly spreads. So 1 and 2 options are right. Spreads which of the following diseases? This is chikungunya and malaria, that is Plasmodium vivax. Right. So 1 and 2 options are right. And Japanese encephalitis, it is spread by mosquitoes. Culex type of mosquitoes. Culex type. Culex type of mosquito, they spread Japanese encephalitis. Software that enables the user to obtain secret information out of another mobile's computer aspect activity. Secret information, then that is um, hardware or malware or spyware or trackware. Secret information, that is spyware. Right. Regular information, secret information, that is provided by the spyware. So C is the answer. Why spyware is in use? Because of the Pegasus. Pegasus spyware is it is alleged that government has used Pegasus software against the cabinet minister, eminent journalists, all these things. They have government has used spyware, that is Pegasus, against those people, those whom he thinks as risk. But central government has denied any such move. So these are spyware. Pegasus is spyware that was in use. It created by Israeli NSO group, right? To work, that is to making it to work in India, right? In sovereign countries. Only they, so the NSO group said that it only sells sovereign countries, not to private entities, to counter the insurgent capacities. Right? For private entities, these yes. So this is spyware. Yes, for example, to counter some in particular insurgency activities is or terrorist activities that may be initiated by a particular top leader, especially to control the transnational terrorism. Pegasus software is launched by NSO and that is sold to the sovereign countries, right? Not to private individuals or private companies. So it's a spyware. Malware means it is one type of virus. Hardware means that is only give you one art. Right? These are the three types of viruses.